She's cheating.
What?
She's cheating.
Oh yeah. Here, get up here, put your feet flat right there. Alright, now pull. Oh, something popped.
Oh yeah, I heard it.
Oh, Jesus, yeah, that's good stuff. Pull again.
Melissa came over to cook here at the house because we have electricity, but no water. So I'm washing dishes here, washing hands here, and I have contact. And we're gonna make some steaks, mashed potatoes, and corn. Hey guys, I kind of stopped vlogging. I kind of forgot about the whole camera situation, you know. I went to my sister-in-law's. We went to go take a shower, me and the kids. And babe's still a little stinky, but it's all good. He'll shower later. And now I'm kind of cleaning the house real quick. It's a bit messy, my stove and stuff. I just cleaned the table. So now I'm just gonna clean here, the kitchen. And I think the girls are gonna come over and we're gonna have us some drinks, because girl, we need some, okay? In case y'all don't know what's going on in Texas, there's no light, there's no water, and people are just panicking in Texas. Luckily, I have electricity and I had water, but not anymore. So, yeah. But anyways, I'll probably vlog game night tonight. So we'll see y'all later.
Really?
You look hot. You look better than I do.
Are we gonna be able to find a hotel or anything to stay in, or?
Sexy teacher.
You're still alive,
5,
Mel.
6,
Yeah, you can
7.
still collect money.
You owe me $10.
She's cheating.
What?
She's cheating.
We're ending the night, guys, and I won Monopoly. Claudia, how do you feel about that?
You cheated.
I did not cheat. I'm not champu like that. Good morning, people. How's everybody doing? Does everybody have light and water now? Or people?
We'll be dropping videos more often, guys. Sorry, I haven't dropped them lately.
Can y'all hear him? Anyways, okay. So, alguien me dijo that there's parasites in the water. In case y'all don't know, Texas didn't have water for like, what, a week or two? So I'm gonna fill it up. And I'm gonna see if there's any little swimming stuff around it.
So in the sunlight right there in front of you. Is that clear?
Fuck no. That's like
Right.
dirt. There's definitely particles like floating around
How
there.
you do it, babe?
Huh.
Put some hydrogen peroxide in there and see if it fizzles. At least killing bacteria.
No, but apparently you can see them swimming. Like, Like, let me put it down.
You're not gonna see it out there, bro. Put it in the sunlight like how you had it. You can see them. You gotta wait for the thing to set up.
Guys, my house is a mess. I feel like I showered in this water and I feel 10 times better. So hopefully it's... We'll wait for the little fizzies to settle. Look at my dishes. I need to wash my dishes. I'm currently gonna make breakfast. Como que la casa está bien chiqui snakes. The dogs are taking a shower. We gave the dogs some of this water and they got diarrhea, so fuck, guys. We're gonna go see if they have like the 5-gallon jug waters because we have like 2 jugs of those. We're gonna go see, and then if not, we're gonna boil water for the poor dogs. We ourselves are also running low on water, and since these crazy ass people over here wanting to take all the groceries and shit at HEB, they're buying all the groceries and water, and where are they gonna put it? Like, there's no electricity or whatever. Like, these fucking people, like, don't get me started. Anyways, guys, let's check the water. It should be clear. I'm making some coffee because my stomach feels a little bit upset this morning. Right here is perfect. No, I don't see anything, babe.
I didn't think you would right there in the dark.
No. I mean, I can see clearly. I can see clearly. We'll see y'all on the next one.